Hi friends, you are seeing Master Tectonic Brothers. After seeing my video, first like and subscribe. In this video I will show you how to change your keyboard. So first go on Play Store and write Cheetah keyboard. That is good keyboard and less MB also. My Cheetah keyboard is installed. That is our app. Using this block, you click on this and choose any things like text. The update was doing here. Changing letter, volume, and when you are doing like this, that is. So thanks friend. We again meet in next video.